Mando. What's your name?
Aarohi.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. So, is it pronounced Aarohi?
No, my name is not pronounced.
Okay, how do you say it?
Aarohi. Aarohi.
Aarohi. Ah, Aarohi.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Caitlin. Yes, Caitlin Sue. Mhm. It's nice to meet you, Aarohi.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Ah, very good. Okay. I'm from the United States. I live in Georgia. Where are you from?
I live in India. I am in Kolkata.
Oh, very cool. Okay, thank you. All right. Well, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. Giving and receiving.
I'm a female. Okay.
Mhm. So we have some new vocabulary today.
Yeah.
Gold or golden, metal, and silver.
Yeah.
So at the very bottom it says, the tutor should read the purple boxes.
Now next tomorrow class is this one.
That's today. We're
Not
learning.
yes for learning.
Yes, we're learning vocabulary and grammar. To us, to you, and to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's begin. Whoa, you've been many places with Sammy. Wow. Are you ready to visit a new place?
Yeah, of course. I visit Africa, mm, India, China. Many places I live. I love many places.
Me too. Very cool.
So many languages. I don't know languages with Spanish, Chinese. I don't know.
Well, that's okay. You can still learn. Do you
Okay.
want to speak many languages?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Me too. Okay, let's go.
Good.
Uh-oh, Haruhi, what is happening? Why does Sammy say, I need to land?
I need to land. Her balloon is flew out.
Oh, the balloon. Oh, no. Would you like to read what this says?
Yes, Sammy found a lost balloon. He wants to turn the balloon.
Ah, very good. So Sammy says, I need to land.
I need to land.
Oh, no. There's a hole in the balloon.
Hold the balloon.
Can you circle the hole?
No. Yeah, of course.
Okay. Oh, you found it. Perfect. Okay, so let's read together. If we help people,
We help people. They might give us
clues.
clues or help fix the balloon.
That's right. Okay. Can you help fix the balloon and guess where we are?
Let's go.
Let's go. We can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, can you read out loud?
Yeah. He went with second place. He got a silver medal.
Ah, okay. Well, let's start with the
He
first
got
place.
first place. He got a gold trophy.
Yep, so first place, number 1, you get a gold trophy or gold medal. Second place. He won second place. So what did he
One,
get?
one chain, and there has number 2. This is silver medal.
Yeah, number 2 gets the silver medal. Good job. Okay, let's read out loud again.
Yeah. Card. Car.
There are
There are many things that are made of metal. Okay. I'm sorry.
That's okay. You all right? So,
Cars don't make of. Cars make of metal. It's a glass, but they are color.
yes, and the robot is made of metal.
A robot also metal, also color, silver, many types of color.
Mm-hmm. And we have silverware, a fork, a knife, and a spoon, and a bicycle. They're all made of metal.
Yeah, all made.
Yep. Do you have a bicycle?
Yeah,
What color is it?
I think red and blue color.
Red and blue? Okay, cool. So read out loud again.
Okay, our parents give nice gifts to us. Next, he gives a ball to them.
Very good. So it's really nice when our parents give us presents, right? Yeah. And when you kick the ball to someone else, you can play soccer, play
Yeah,
games.
soccer. This is soccer.
Yep.
She
What does
writes
she do?
a letter. She writes a letter to you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next one is he talks to you.
He talks to you all.
Okay.
So he is talking to all
Thank
the
you so
students.
much. Thank you so much for helping.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for listening. Okay, so let's help spell the word. What is this?
Golden.
What do you think? Let's sound it out. Gold. Gold.
L.
Ding, ding, ding. Gold. Okay, next.
Silver. Silver.
Very good. Silver.
Is.
Perfect. Okay, and the next one?
This
This?
one is middle.
Mhm.
L. Letter L. Middle.
Wow. Very good. Aarohi, you're so smart. High five. Thank you. Great job. Okay, so perfect. We have our first clue.
This
What do you think they're
word.
made of?
Okay. What do you think they are made of? Okay. That's with seaweed and some rice and some vegetable and some green pepper. I don't know this pepper name.
Well, that's okay. Do you think it looks yummy?
That's yummy.
Yeah, I think so. I would like to try some.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So these would you like to read what it says?
Yeah. These are rice balls called, what is this says again?
Onigiri.
Onigiri.
Mhm.
Onigiri. Okay.
Yep.
There are seaweed, seaweed or vegetables inside.
Yeah, that's what you said. You were right. Very good. So, our first clue is onigiri. Can you guess where Sammy is? Hmm.
Sammy is one teaching children for very funny things. Sammy is a funny. Always he sick.
Yes, that's true. But we are somewhere with Sammy. We have to figure out where we are. Some more clues.
Eat.
So, who has it?
Kim. Who has a pencil? Kim has a pencil.
Number two,
Who
who has a
has a
golden balloon?
golden balloon? Junior. Junior has a
June
golden balloon.
has. Yep, that's right. June has a golden balloon.
June
And
has a
number three,
golden balloon. And who has a silver necklace? Neha.
yep, Nia.
Neha has a silver necklace.
Yep. And number four, who has a metal box?
Who has a metal box? The boy has a metal box. I name
Which boy?
Sama. This
Yep,
boy named
Zach.
Zach. Zach has a
Perfect.
metal box.
Yep, you got it. Fantastic.
Fantastic! Thank you. We are
What what do you
this.
think it's
What
made of?
do you think it is made of? It's made of one paper, one coloring paper.
Paper? Oh, okay. Do you know how to make this?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So we have our clue number two. Perfect.
Clue number 2.
Mhm.
This is color. It's made of
Origami.
paper. Origami paper. You can make many things with this mountain full of
Fuji.
fruit. Japanese people eat most seafood in the world.
Wow. Okay. So do you know
No,
anything else about Japan?
you know?
Or do you want to visit Japan someday?
Yeah.
Me too. What do you want to see or do there?
You, me there.
What do you want to do in Japan?
I eat seafood. Seafood is my favorite.
You like seafood? Well, it says Japanese people eat the most seafood in the world.
Yeah.
Wow, so I think if you go to Japan, you can eat some yummy seafood.
Yummy
Mhm.
seafood. Mm.
That's right.
Mm.
Okay, good job. Perfect. And look at their clothes. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. The
They are
golden
wait. They are doing sour. That's why they wear this one.
They're doing what?
They're doing sour. That's why they wear this one.
Maybe. Okay. Yep, they might be doing that. Good job. All right. So, let's add a stamp to your passport.
Yeah.
Where is it? Do you see Japan?
Yeah. What is this flag name?
That one says Ghana.
Ghana. Okay. That's the last one. That's tomorrow.
That was yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday.
Okay, but where is Japan? Can you circle Japan?
Here is a Japan.
Yeah, very nice. Wow, I think we've been many places with Sammy.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Which place was your favorite place so far? Did you
England.
like Africa? England. Wow, very cool.
I have the
Oh.
art. That's why I check like this.
So did you go to England with Sammy?
Yeah, I live in the left side, and Persica, in Persica, mm, in Persica, near to India.
Uh-huh, I see. Okay. So, I think we've finished the lesson. Woohoo! What does Sammy say?
Thank you for your help. See you next time.
That's right.
Time,
Wow.
time is out.
Oh, yes, you're right. Time is almost over. Well, Arohi, thank you so much for all your hard work. You did a great job today, and it was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you. You have something pet. I see it's moving.
Yes, here she is.
Aww, so
Her
cute.
name is Kiari. She,
Wow, it's a little kitty.
yes,
Aww.
little kitty. She wants me to hold her right now. Oh, there you go. Maybe next time. Okay, I'll see you next time. Have a good day.